In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Developer tab in Microsoft Word. This might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry. We're going to walk through it together step by step, and by the end, you'll feel completely comfortable with the process. This feature is incredibly useful, especially if you're looking to gain more control over formatting, or perhaps delve into some more advanced functionalities like creating forms, writing and executing macros, or working with XML commands. So, let's get started. First, you're going to want to open up your Microsoft Word application. Once there, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the File tab. Click on this tab to open a drop-down menu. Now, this menu contains many options related to document management, such as saving and printing your document. But what we're interested in today is the Options choice, located towards the bottom of this menu. Go ahead and click on Options. Once you've clicked on Options, a new dialog box titled Word Options will pop up on your screen. This box is essentially your control center for customizing how Word looks and behaves. Take a look at the list on the left side of this dialog box, and you'll notice several categories of preferences you can modify. Scroll down this list until you spot Customize Ribbon. Click on Customize Ribbon, because this is where the magic is going to happen. Now, cast your eyes over to the right-hand side of this window where you see a section named Main Tabs. This is a detailed list of all the ribbon tabs that are currently available, or unavailable, in your Word interface. Our goal here is to get that all-important Developer tab to appear. To do this, you simply need to find the item labeled Developer in this list. It's usually somewhere towards the middle of this panel. Once you've located the Developer option, you'll notice a checkbox right next to it. This box might be unchecked right now, which is why you haven't seen the tab before. To enable the Developer tab, simply click on the checkbox to place a tick in it. This action tells Word that you want the Developer tab to be visible in your ribbon. Now that you've selected the box, you're almost finished. The last thing you need to do is click the OK button at the bottom of the Word Options dialog box. This will save your changes and close the window. Once you've done that, take a look at your Word ribbon, and you should now see the Developer tab displayed proudly among the others. And there you have it. You've not only enabled the Developer tab, but also unlocked a suite of powerful tools that can significantly enhance your productivity in Word. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your software.